Hey guys, hopefully the camera will last. It's had some issues, but I just downloaded a new update to the program, so hopefully that does it. But some very exciting news about what I got in the mail today. So welcome, congratulations, my acolytes of success, because you are watching the Success Channel. My name is Paul Vasquez, and I am the owner of Tax Lab Pro Business Solutions, co-owner of Events and Design Singularity Network, and some other things. But that's not the reason why I'm speaking with you today. It's because of this right here. And I did happen to slice it open just so I could see what it was. But once I saw what it was, I wanted to do my grand unenveloping, right? That's not a box. It's an envelope. Unenveloping. Oh, sounds like something you do in Vegas, right? Okay, so here we go. Ooh, buddy boy. Let me flip that around for you. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It comes in its own little box. So I guess I am doing an unboxing here. It comes in its own little box. It's got a little arrow. It's got a little arrow right here. Tells me where to take it out. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's try to keep it in frame, I guess. Ooh, oh wow. Oh, it's expanding. Holy pajamas. Look at that. As I pull on this side, it's popping out the other. Holy pajamas. Ooh. Buddy boy. I'm gonna have to take a look here, guys, because it says something there. It says democratizing America's financial systems. And ooh, buddy boy, I believe it. Don't know if we're gonna get a good focus on that, but that's what it says. Buddy boy, I like it. And yes, I did order the black one here. Ooh, there's another little message. Look at that. Surprises after surprises. Activate your card in the app. Oh, well, yeah. So, not such a great surprise there. You guys didn't see much there. Okay. So, yeah, we got the front of the card. And it's just, let's see, it has the MasterCard logo down here at the bottom. The Robinhood feather in my cap, the little digital chip there, and debit right there, so they're not advertising as a credit card. Of course, all the nice little financials are on the back, which I won't show you guys because I don't feel like having you demolish my bank account or my cash management account. So yes, fantastic. It came in. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. Keep watching because I've got more stuff coming out. Check the links if you wanted to jump on the bandwagon to get your own. Links are in the description so you can start off with a free stock. Enter into the cash management program. And ooh, it's shiny in the light. And yeah, I've got a whole bunch of cool links down there. I've got a budgeting form that you should be able to gain access to. You can see different links to my companies. If you need some help reestablishing your credit, there's a credit program there. That is an affiliate program, does have a link. If you need help with a lot of stuff, you can go through Fiverr. I have a link for Fiverr. Just anything you need, go ahead and give a look in my links. First, help out your fellow acolyte of success. And thanks for tuning in. I wish you guys all the success.